everyone to Legally Blonde Abroad. Today I'm mixing things up and I am sharing with you a recipe that we made while we were staying in the south of France. So in my family, food is the ingredient that binds us together, and one thing we love doing is renting a house with a kitchen when we go traveling so that we can forage at the markets and try and live like locals. So today's recipe is the Apricot Tart Tatin, the quintessential dessert, and it is a cheats version because I'm not making pastry. We will be using apricots and a short crust pastry that was frozen and some sugar. So let's get started. You will need to caramelize the apricots in a pan with butter. Start by breaking the apricots in half and placing them in the pan, sprinkling them with a little bit of sugar. Add as much sugar as you like, just so that you get your desired sweetness. We also drizzle a bit of lemon juice on the top to add an extra zing to the apricots. And just let those apricots simmer away in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes, turning them so that they get wrinkly and beautifully delicious on both sides. Once they have bubbled away and are lovely and caramelized, it's time to put your pastry on the top of the pan and fold it and tuck the edges around and place it in the oven for about 10 minutes. So when the pastry on top is lovely and crispy and golden like we have here, you will want to place it on a surface and loosen the edges of the tart from the pan. This is actually the trickiest part, but once you have it loose from the edges of the pan, I put a chopping board on top and flip it over like so, and voila, we have the famous French tarte tatin. Now you can do this with whatever stone fruit you like, or apples if you like for that matter. We cut it up and we've served it with a bit of fromage blanc on the side, which is like a natural yogurt. So bon appetit, enjoy this delicious French dessert. I hope you've enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next episode of Legally Blonde Abroad.